Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to pass next-gen NCLEX easy method. Start by mastering the exam blueprint, active clinical reasoning, and timed practice tests daily. Focus on understanding stems, eliminating wrong answers, and applying priority frameworks. Use study blocks with spaced repetition and mixed review to solidify retention. Simulate exam conditions with full-length mock exams and debrief mistakes. Stay calm, use deep breaths, and track steady improvement. Start with a prioritized study plan covering high-yield topics, question strategy, and content gaps. Break study into 90-minute focus sessions with 10-minute breaks to maintain focus. Use question banks with NGN-style items and review rationales thoroughly. Practice therapeutic communication and delegation scenarios to boost applied skills. Track progress with percent correct and timing metrics, and adjust your plan weekly based on weaknesses to stay on target. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum has voice control and smart mapping for effortless floor care. I love its deep clean and hands-off scheduling for busy study days. It saves time so you can focus on practice questions and rest. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. On test day, eat a balanced meal and arrive early to avoid stress. Skim each block to gauge difficulty and set a steady pace. Use elimination and priority frameworks for complex scenarios. Mark and return to unsure questions with time checkpoints. Trust clinical knowledge and choose the safest option when unsure. Stay hydrated and avoid last-minute cramming to keep mental clarity. Take brief mental breaks and review marked items in the final 30 minutes if time allows.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.